Hey, it's Vas here from Aussie RC Playground, and we're back with the Kraton, this time with the optional 15-tooth pinion gear. And we're going to be trying out for the 60 miles an hour as printed on the box. So we're going to be trying it on 4S first and then 6S and see what happens. Here we go. Alrighty, 4S up first. Oh, she's pulling a bit to the old righty. Let's trim it a bit to the left. That seems a bit better. Alrighty, let's see how we go. I'm pretty sure we'll hit that top speed, but let's find out. 4S speed, wow, straight as an arrow. Very stable. $69 he says. There we go, alrighty. Yeah, I'm not feeling these radios. Alright, here we go. Not bad, not bad. Oh, so steady. So stable.
71.
71 that time. I'm feeling a bit better now. Feeling a bit better about the top speed of this guy with the optional pinion. Alright, third and final pass on 4S. Here we go, Dean. Oh, so stable, so nice. 69 on that third pass. Thank you. There, thank you very much. All right, let's see what our GPS says. As I quickly remove the body pins, I'll just zoom out as well. And taking this guy off, we have, wow, 64. The GPS is not got all its bearings fully oiled today, I think. Yeah, I think I'm going to believe the radar gun this time around. I think around 70, 71 shoots sounds about right. That's with the 5500 milliamp, sorry, 6750 milliamp Gen Z's 45C 4S. So let's go 6S now and see what we can do. Alrighty, 60 mile an hour, here we come. Come on, baby, don't let me down. Do not let me down. Here we go, first pass. Ooh. 85 on the radar gun, that's not good. I'm pretty sure I was pegged. Pretty sure I was pegged on that one. That should be, although I did peg it late, so I don't know. Let's try it again. This is why we do 3 passes. Get some consistency happening, kind of average things out. Sorry, just fixing my camera up a little bit. Here we go, second pass. Very, very good. Very stable. How much? 95. 95. That's a bit more like it. We're still a couple of Ks out. Still a couple of Ks out. Bit of a slight headwind, but that shouldn't really matter. Hopefully the GPS will give us the numbers we're looking for. Here we go. Third and final pass. Very stable. Very, very stable. Very good. Really impressed. 99? Yeah, nah. Let's go one more. There's too many variants there. Let's see if we can get one that's closer to something. Here we go. One more time. Drum roll, please. Shut up. What? Let me get that in focus. Alright, we have to go again. This is all over the shop. Sorry. We have... Can you just... Ask the radar gun, how many fingers are you holding up?
My hand just did 21. Car.
Alright, we have a car, so we've got to pull over to the side just briefly. Okay, here we go. One more time. Can we hit triple figures again? Can we get into the high 90s again? Oh, he's quiet. He hasn't said anything. 98. Just making sure that I get that on in shot there. Thank you very much. All right, let's see what the GPS says. We hit triple figures. I'm curious to see if the GPS is actually going to give us anything, or if it's just going to be some random number that makes no sense at all. Let's see what happens. Okay. Right, it gave us absolutely 0. So we're going to have to go by the radar gun this time. I don't know what is going on with the GPS. It worked on the other cars, but for some reason it doesn't seem to be working on this car, and I can't even get it to focus now. Come on, focus, focus, focus. No, never mind. There it is. Yeah, absolutely 0. So, okay. Well, what's our takeaway from this? This thing's damn quick. That's what it is. Whether it's 60 miles an hour or 61 or 62, I don't know, but I have in here a 5500 milliamp 6S 45C Gens Ace, and it seems to be an absolute beast of a pack. So seems to be working pretty well so far, and I can't wait to take this car out and give it a good old-fashioned bash and get it dirty. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more information on the car, as well as links to my social media pages. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all next time.